today we are about to do a shifter swap from the G37 shifter to a Q50 Q60. As you see right here, boom, this is what we're gonna put in here. All right, so let's start this. So we basically gotta put this boot on the G37 boot. We're basically gonna swap boots. That's basically it. Other than that, they're all the same after that. You just pull this up, comes out, it has a little pin in there, and we just put it on there. Okay, so to take this off, you have to put this down. Pretty easy. Take this pin off. Do not lose this pin, even though the new one has one. Do not lose it, just in case you lose yours. Okay. You see how it goes? It goes upwards, just like that. Okay, move this thing. Okay. We gotta spread it wide open. Pause. Okay, just like that. All right. It's the OEM one. And stock. I mean, well, it's basically OEM, but this is not OEM for the G37. It's OEM for the Q50 Q60s. Okay, now we gotta basically remove this whole thing. If you want, you could disconnect the battery. Okay, first things first, make sure you have a flathead or you have a one of these and a screwdriver or a drill. Don't really matter. Now let's pop this up. I'll go in this corner right here because this whole thing gotta come out. I'll go right here, pop this up like so. This corner. If you want, you could take this silver thing off so it's just out the way. Pretty sure it's in the way, but yeah, just take it off. Just take this shit off. Okay. I already did a video how to take this off, so you could just look at the list of videos how I did that. Now be careful, there's some wires behind here we have to remove, like the cigarette lighter and all the other ones like these right here. You see, we gotta remove these. Okay, remove all these 3 connectors. I already did that. All 3 of those. Now let's put this down so it's easier to work with. So just press it. It's down like that. Now let's put this down like here. All right, take this up. Okay, now there's another connector right here. Hit remove. Just push down on here and just take it off. Now we're gonna need this. Let's put this in park and shut it off. Okay, now we're gonna need these bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. So all these right here. Take those off. If you have a drill, it'd be better. Okay, if you have a regular screwdriver, that's fine. You could just use a regular screwdriver. But I like speeding shit up. Okay, I got the drill. Take these right here out. Boom. Don't lose those screws. Okay. Those screws somewhere safe. Take this off right here. And take this off. Okay. Now it should come out. Just the black part needs to come out. Nothing else. It's gonna be a little harder. I mean, it's not gonna be a little hard to come out. Okay, yeah. Come out like so. Okay, now put this down here. All we need is this one right here. Okay, now we have to take this thing off right here so we have more room to put on the boat. All you gotta do is take this off right here and just pull it out like so. Okay, Now we just gotta take this off, this boot off, because we don't need it anymore. Take that off. Pretty easy. All I do is take it off. Okay, this is your G37 one. Basically, you don't need to say no more. Or if you want, you can sell it, throw it out, whatever you want to do. Okay, now this is your Q50 Q60 one. You gotta just take off these staplers. These are stapled on there, so let's take those out and take it off. You could use one of these Dykes snips and just snip them off all around. That's what I'm gonna do, all around. This off right here. Yeah, so basically remove all these staplers all around. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, once you do that, all the staples are out. Just take it off. All right, we don't need this. All you need is this. Now we're gonna put this on the G37 one, pretty much. Okay, now we got, you see how the way it's shaped. Now basically we gotta poke the holes through and pretty much make it fit in there. Let me show you. Okay, you see how you have these notches here. Basically, we're gonna put a hole in there. I'm gonna use probably the flathead and just poke a hole in there and pretty much go around, see which ones could go in there. So I'm basically just going around. You see, anytime I see one of these, I'm using this, by the way, to poke the hole. And you see how I see these? See, I just poke it through there. So I'm gonna follow these and put the holes and pretty much put them in there. Just follow the same thing as the G37 one. Okay. You might put some glue over here. Might. We'll see. I'm gonna try and get as tight as possible so I don't have to put any glue here. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So I made it fit, so I don't have to put no glue over here. So this should be good. You see how I did it? Just like OE. Put this thing in there, try and make it fit in there. And yeah, pretty much it. Now let's try to put it back on there. Okay. Now, once you done doing that, we could put this thing back on there. How we took it out. So let's tuck it in there. Same way we took it out, like this. And just put it right here. You see this cord go right in here, this wire right inside there. All right, now let's put everything back together same way we took it out. Get the screws and screw this back on there. If the you see the boot thing is in your way, all you do is just move it with this. If you have one of these or flathead, whatever you're using, just move out the way so you can see the hole better. Put the screw in there. Okay, let's put this last screw in right here. Then we're done. Tighten them. put everything back together. See, as you see, like so. Boom, boom, boom. All right, now let's put this thing down, put everything back. Okay, don't start it. I was about to start it. Let's put this connector in first for the gear shifter. It goes this way. Okay. Now, a cigarette lighter. Forget that one. This right here. I know I didn't mention to take that off, but we have to get that cigarette lighter off from here. Okay. So let's put it in there. Like so. Okay, now these 3 connectors. Once you do these, basically done. Oh yeah, this doesn't go there. This goes here. Okay. That's there. That's over here. And brown, go with brown. Where you go? Right here. Brown, go with brown. Alright. Now, what you gotta do is put this on there. Like so. Push down. Make sure it's flush. Like that. Don't forget, this piece goes here. Like so. Wait, it's not all the way down. Look at this. I forgot this part. Make sure you double check this part is in. All parts, all the sides is flat. Okay. Boom. Put this back. Okay. Make sure this is good on there. Now, instead of this, we are going to put this one. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, this pin is on there. We gotta remove it. Okay, now all you gotta do is slide this down. I could put it on with the pin on there, but I never tried it. So actually, let's try it since we're here. See if it snap on with the pin on there. Okay, I put the pin back in there. Let's try if it fits. Oh, there you go. I just gotta snap it in some more. Oh, it worked. Ah, okay. Alright. Now all you gotta do is slide this up like so. And that is it. There's your shifter conversion. Now make sure this works. See, boom. Okay, boom, boom. Alright. Okay. There you go. Good deal. Alright, so you already know the deal. If I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.